Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to back up Zoho Mail emails to your local computer or hard drive. You'll discover easy and safe methods to download your Zoho emails and keep your data protected. Backing up Zoho emails gives you full control over your data. It prevents permanent data loss, protects your mailbox from cyber threats, and allows offline access during server downtime. It also helps in migrating your data to other email clients like Outlook or Thunderbird and keeps copies for legal or business records. There are two main ways to back up Zoho Mail. First, using Outlook. Second, using a professional Zoho backup tool for faster results. Let's see how to back up Zoho emails using IMAP. Open your Zoho Mail account. Go to Settings and enable IMAP. Open Outlook on your PC. Click Add Account and enter your Zoho email and password. Enter IMAP server details provided by Zoho. Let the email client sync all your emails. After syncing, export emails to your computer. The manual methods work, but they have some drawbacks. To make things easy, you can use the Zoho Mail Backup tool. It automatically downloads all your Zoho emails, contacts, and attachments. Here's how you can back up Zoho Mail using the tool. Go to the Open tab, then choose Email Accounts and click Add Account. Enter your Zoho login details and let the tool load your emails. Next, click on Export and choose your desired format. Finally, select a destination path, hit the Save button. That's it. Your Zoho emails are now safely backed up. This Zoho backup tool comes with many useful features. Back up Zoho emails in multiple formats. Download Zoho emails in bulk. Maintain metadata, images, hyperlinks. Back up selected folders or emails. Preserves the folder hierarchy as it is. No need to install extra applications. Can preview the emails and attachments. The Zoho backup tool gives you an easier, faster, and safer way to download all your emails to your PC. So don't wait. Back up your Zoho emails today and stay worry-free. Download the tool from the link below and back up Zoho emails to your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful email backup guides.